How to add image on top of a video on laptop. What's up everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how you can easily add an image on top of a video using your laptop. For this you will need the application CapCut installed on your device, and once you have opened CapCut you can either create a new project or work on an existing one. So let me just open up an existing project right here. And once you open up your project, what you need to do now is drag and drop the video to your timeline, or click on this plus icon to add to track. Now once you've added the video to your track, what you need to do is simply add an overlay over the video. To do that, you're going to have to import your media and then select any picture from here. So let me just go ahead and import a random picture here. Let me head over to pictures and I'm just going to import a random picture. So here is a picture that I want to add, and as you can see it has covered the entire screen. So what I'm going to do is add this to my track, and it has been added right in between, so I'm just going to make it an overlay. So I'm just going to copy this and then paste it on the overlay right here. Delete this part. So right here on the picture, as you can see, it has been set as an overlay. You can adjust the size of the picture. So let's say if I want it on the top right corner like this, and I want this for the halfway of the video. So after the halfway, it's going to disappear. So let me just play the video from the start. As you can see, once it gets here, the picture will disappear. So right here, the picture is now gone. And if you want it to the full length of the video, you can drag it all the way to the end of the video and you should be good to go. So that's how you add an image on top of a video on laptop. I hope this was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next video.